I think the conference has been very good so far, the groupings of companies, and I think what's appealed to me coming from the market research side of this is really the understanding of the big picture. I think you see a lot of companies, they're still talking about their products, their solutions, how they can deploy them, work with utilities, and how easy that can be, but they're still putting in some of the drivers and the strengths, trying to put it in the context of the market, and that's really important. I think in just trying to raise awareness, trying to have people be aware of what's going on and how they can kind of take this forward and how they can work together. And I think that's one big part of why SWAN is here. I think one of the biggest impacts for the SWAN Forum is that it's really grouping together a wide range of different organizations, and that's really what I think smart water networks, smart water technologies are about. It's this big convergence melting pot of different traditional industries that are taking advantage of data and communications technologies to really revolutionize how we do water at the moment. So from a research angle, it's great to see all this happening, to see the different companies involved get to kind of reimagine how this is all going to come together.
I think this has been a very good conference. We have many input to take home to Denmark to the future work in the digital water company, which is a project we started in Denmark regarding integration between system in the whole water company. So I think there's a lot for us to work on further on.
I think a really exciting space, especially also for the customer. Next to that's really interesting and exciting for us as a water company. What we are trying to do, of course, is be a more efficient water supplier, but we also tend to or try to have a more intense customer relationship. So we'll be exploring the opportunities for this. And next, as you know, the Fitness Innovation Playground will offer a lot of new opportunities for technology suppliers to test their new equipment and for us to test new technologies before deploying it in our normal water supply area.
We're probably one of the leading water utilities at the moment in this space. We're currently installing 7,000 real-time loggers on our water network, measuring flow and pressure. The data's coming in every 15 minutes, and we're looking at how we can use that intelligently in the sensor to sort of preempt problems in the network and avoid impacts on the customer and manage our assets more effectively. I think it's really important to, we've had a session talking about return on investment and benefits, and I think it's really important to get some substantial information and quality information on what those benefits are and potentially work towards some sort of standards and framework, or at least some sort of underlying information that we can use in business cases internally and externally.